Man, what have you done, Ethan?
I spent too much money again and bought some coilovers.
I wasn't away this time.
Yeah.
So what have we got? We've got Tein, what are they? Z tunes? Is that the one?
I think so.
Yeah. Tein Z tunes from Mikey at Autoline. Shot Mikey. There we go. So today's plan is to make this thing finally look right. So these on there. Boom. Let's go. First step is, like most machines, is wheels off. There's Ollie inspecting. Are we doing okay, Ollie?
You have a deep socket?
What are you doing?
Trying to get these out.
Oh, the top one.
Top one.
I will do. What size is it?
It needs a
12?
12.
Okay. 12 mil with that one, I reckon. Oh, yeah.
Little quirky things.
Sweet. You winning, Logan? With no wheels. That's a 12 mil. And two 17s or 19s?
I'd say 19s.
19s? Suspension really, is it?
How many times have you and I done it?
Yeah, I gotta get.
I'll take the ABS sensor bracket off.
Okay. I've only got one hand, so you might as well do it.
We'll still grab a 19 ring and open ender though.
It's just AC water, I think.
Here's that one. Ethan, over there. One. Washer. Hoist
What
legs
a
are
team.
perfect.
Hey?
Storing pots.
Yeah. I'll put that on there. You can do it. Sweet.
Bottom.
So that's out, isn't it?
Nah, bottom bolt.
Oh.
Better do that.
No, you're gonna lift it out. Right? You'll probably actually just bash that out, guys.
Where's the pliers?
I've got a hammer. Yeah.
Okay, Ethan, you're on lift out duty.
I had a mechanic hammer. You were thinking about electrical, Ethan. Oh, careful of that bracket. That wire is really important. That's the main thing you got to watch when you pull these out, is that cable.
Is it ABS?
Yeah, that's ABS. Cause you no end of trouble. There we go, one side out. Let's go put it down next to them. You figured out what's front and what's rear?
Yeah, these are the fronts because they've got the camber plates, and those are the rear because they don't.
Well, that makes a whole lot of sense.
So that one.
So we
needs
put
to
that
go.
next to this. Man, so there's our that to that. That's fuzzy. Put that like that. Even more. Cool. Why don't you go put that one on? You good, Logan?
Yeah, there's one bolt left in this one that needs to put out to get that one out.
Do you need a hand?
No, it's undone.
Oh yeah.
We can take that off.
Oh, just leave it on, doesn't matter.
Is there anything else?
Don't mess with any of them. No, leave it on, doesn't matter. We'll put that off when we need to. Make sure you got the thing at the bottom facing the right way.
That's got like.
And then you went around that way, yep, that's right. Make sure you pull that down.
And there are these holes.
Line up the top. Where did we put the top bolts?
In the little container of Hey, Ethan. Yeah. This is a very shocking story.
If I do this and I get this ladder, I can.
You're working at highest training? Are you certified to use a step ladder?
I'm sure I'll be fine. Hey? Oh, was I meant to put washers on?
No.
No, sweet. Well, that'll do for now. Go off a bit, in a bit. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this, I think. Hot fire, bro, stop. So that's pretty much it. So what did we do? We did this up, we've done this up, we've done that up, and we've done that up. The camber's the only thing that I don't feel we've done amazingly.
They're not camber plates.
But yeah, but you want to get it right at the bottom before you mess with it at the top, because it's all about the geometry. But we've got that painting, so the cam's straight out. If the cam's out, that means, means right now we're giving it the most negative camber we possibly can give it. So we might adjust that. To adjust that, what we're going to do, we're going to undo this nut, and then we're going to spin that to probably straight up, and then do it back up again. Sweet.
Move it along enough that it goes. Oh, Subaru.
Oh, there's the... One more. It's way better than my answer.
Is that what the L means on the brake thing?
So look at the way the brake clip is facing.
Let's get the other one good.
Oh, look at that!
This is what happens when you break these in half.
What, where you take your left and right?
Yeah.
We've got instructions. Fancy. It says R.
You know what that means?
I hope we got it right in the front.
Sorry.
That'll bug you way more than your bolts being backwards.
I say this is on the top half.
Okay.
You can't see.
No. I'll put this right up in your grill.
Oh, my new top hats are right.
Wait a minute. Don't go up yet. Don't go up yet. Oh.
Is it on the spot?
No, I just want to video it.
I don't have any bolts, should I? Is it probably?
Yes.
Oh.
I had it around the right way.
The camera just went MIA, but that's not as important as the bits. One on. Wait a minute. Ah. Come on. Shit. So.
That's almost done. Forget. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's it. This job.
I said, look for your receipt. Or just Google, what are they called? They're called
Rebands or replays.
replays. Yep. Ah, okay. Megan Turbo replays. They're cool.
No. Well, I'm not going any further.
What? Oh, that'll do it.
Ah.
Teamwork, dreamwork.
That was Dad's job.
That was definitely my job. No, well, that'll do for now. You know something cool, Ethan?
What?
There's an L on it.
Is it what?
Which means it's
Ow.
on the right side.
No, it's on the left side, Logan.
Could be
Do you want to check that side too? Because
Or is it 2 hours?
no, I mean the ten. Yes.
Not bad.
That's really good.
It's the same.
It is.
Like
It is level.
that's wicked. That's on its almost highest setting.
Yeah.
Man. What's your opinion, Ethan? Is that
I want it to go lower. That's just my opinion.
100% you want it to go lower. But I don't think you should go lower until you've got it almost ready for your cert.
Or just wing it and have fun.
Do you want to go lower?
Yeah.
After some measuring and some basic maths, we set the lock nuts and welded it down to the new height. Hey, going down again.
Take two.
Yeah. Don't be too excited, Ethan.
He's stressed, look at him.
I know, right?
Face.
Probably not the best wheel to choose. Get out of your way. That's a bit better.